Guys, it's me. We're back, and today, oh, it's snowing. How nice. I think we're mostly going to be doing some mining. So let's get to it. Oh wow, that isn't 5 inches and I already hit coal. Wow. It's a lot of coal. Gosh, something that just happened. Anyway, okay. So I'm hoping we can find some stuff because so far I haven't seen any. I hear something. Here's some stuff beneath me, but I can't exactly pinpoint where it's coming from. Some right next to me. Like, very close. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but they sound awful close. Whatever that thing actually is. Sounds right next to me. I have the feeling we're really close to a cave. Why I have no clue what this is. Salt. Honestly, I have no clue what this is. Oh my gosh. They're like, oops. Right freaking next to me. Like right next to me. Oh. Here's something. Here, little thingy. Jeez, it sounds ferocious. This looks like a cave. Oh, iron. That's nice. I have no clue what that was. Sounds like a seal. What's this? This is cool. Oh, there's more iron. This isn't honestly too bad for first time being down here. See, I hear stuff, but I don't see it. Here's the thing. Like, I hear all this stuff. I hear a seal, but I don't exactly see it. Just happened. There, what happened there? Did I get it? Oh, there's a piece of iron. There we go. Honestly, I'm not sure where that's coming from. There's something. Not sure exactly what that was, but I think I see more. No, those are just skeletons. Contemplating what I should do here. I think I'll get this coal. I do hear a lot of zombie and skeleton noises, so I'm not sure exactly where they are, but definitely close. Oh, iron. I have 10 pieces. There's something over there. Get out of here. Get out of town. So I don't know how far we'll be able to venture, considering the lack of torches, but I can probably make more if I have any wood. Yeah. Go. So, see if there's anything in here. This is salt ore. Looks like the cave just comes to an end. Sorta sucks. Well, at least we did get 10 iron. That's enough for like 3 picks. So, it was helpful. Oh, does that go out to above? I wonder what's up there. How nice is that? What is that? Ancient dried beaver spawn egg. Okay, I guess we can spawn a beaver now. I think I heard somewhere what you had to do is like put it with water, if I'm correct. Oops. That looks like it leads actually right up to the surface. Some sort of desert biome because there's sand up there. Does look like it's nighttime up there. So I'm mostly mining this for XP and see if there's anything hiding behind it. Like that one time I found iron. Looks like it's nighttime, so there's not much waiting for us up there. I think we can head back for the time being. But it was nice to know that we could get our hands on a little bit of iron. So, see what time we have on the recorder. 11. I think I'll stop it here, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye.